Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I am out on the Tiger Sport 660 and I'm about to test out a new windshield solution. So let's check it out. Alright, so the install went very smooth. I mean, it's very simple. There's 3 screws to screw it in here. That's why I kind of just did a montage for the install. I don't think you need a step-by-step for this one. So right now I'm jumping on the freeway here really quick just to see how it does. Now, of course, I am expecting to get a lot of wind, but I want to see how turbulent it is. Just make sure there's no buffeting or anything. Yeah, it feels pretty smooth. I mean, you can, I'm getting a bunch of wind to the chest, but you can kind of lean into it a little bit, so I'm not getting a lot of pressure on my wrists or anything. And I'm getting so much wind to my body and my face that I'm not getting any kind of buffeting or anything. So I'll lift it up as high as it'll go. And this seems like it cuts a little bit off, kind of like my midsection, but I'm still getting a lot to the shoulders and to the head. So I don't feel too much of a difference with the screen in the upward position here. Yeah, I kind of prefer it in the down position. Now, of course, this may vary depending on how tall you are, what kind of helmet you have. that kind of stuff, so your mileage may vary. Now I'm going to head down to the surface streets, see how it does over here. One of the reasons I wanted to try out this shorter screen was because out here in Arizona in the summer, the more airflow you can get on the bike, the better. But if I can get some smooth airflow, then that makes it even more pleasant to ride. So, first impressions, I am getting a lot more airflow, which is nice because it's hot out today, but I don't really notice any noise reduction at all in the helmet, so I don't think this is gonna do what I wanted it to do as far as noise reduction for motovlogs. I might keep this on here for a while though, because it is nice and smooth. So I heard about Powerbronze through the comment section on my YouTube videos, and I had more than one person comment saying that I should give them a shot. So I looked them up, because right now there's not a lot that I could find aftermarket for this bike. The unfortunate thing is that Powerbronze is located in the UK. Their prices are really good, but the shipping isn't so great. The international shipping is almost as expensive as the windscreen itself. But even with the increased shipping cost to get this to me, I still think it was worth it. The total cost for what I got, it's pretty good. Now, I do not have any affiliation with Powerbronze. I just looked them up based on some YouTube comments and decided to give them a shot, so I ordered this with my own money. Actually, speaking of that, I ordered this screen with the revenue money from YouTube, so you know, that kind of stuff, the ad revenue and the super thanks that I get on my videos is what I use to purchase stuff like this that I want to review and test out. So I'd like to thank everybody that contributed to that. After doing the install on this and seeing how nice of a screen this is, I'm really looking forward to getting the taller version. I go pull over to a little park area here so that I can show you what the screen looks like on the bike. So this screen I measured from the very bottom here to the tallest point, which is like one of the sides here. It's about 15 3/4 inches. And I measured the stock screen and it's about 21.5 inches. I think the larger Powerbronze screen that I ordered is 24 inches, if I'm not mistaken. I did try the stock windscreen with a little clip-on visor, and that seemed to be just enough to kind of smooth out the air a little bit. I did notice a little bit of a difference in the wind noise to the helmet during my motovlog, so I kind of like that. I'm hoping that that 3-inch taller Powerbronze windscreen will kind of split the difference between the two. So this movement up and down here, it's pretty good. There is a little bit of flex to it because the rubber grommets that go through the screen, it's not a real rigid surface, but it's kind of nice how they do the recessed areas here, so the screws go straight in. I had problems with a previous screen that I tried from Calci, and the problem with their screen is they had the holes drilled straight through, but it was a curved surface, so when you try to put the screws in, there was side-to-side flex as well as up and down, so it just wiggled all over the place. It was terrible in my opinion. But I think I like this in the full down position. But I mean, even you can see that it still moves around a little bit, but it doesn't seem to move around when I'm riding. So yeah, I don't have any issue with it. It's kind of good just like that. As an overall look, personally I think it makes the bike look sportier. I want to see what it looks like without the side cases on here though. Yeah, that looks really cool. With this screen on here, I kind of prefer it without the side cases. But that's just me. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comments section. Do you like this screen better with the side cases or without? Yep, definitely a fan. I think I'm going to leave this on here at least until the next screen arrives that I'll be testing out. Well, that's about it for this video, guys. If you like that video, click that like button, and I will catch you guys in the next one.